The Empire State Aerosciences Museum is home to a F-14 Tomcat. It is a twin-engine, two-seat supersonic fighter designed in the 1970s for fleet defense and air superiority. With a maximum takeoff weight of 72,900 pounds, a $40 million apiece price tag, and a complex electronics and weapons suite, it was also one of the largest and most complex fighters ever built. The Tomcat is distinguished by its variable swept wings, originally developed for the F-111, which provide it with optimal high and low speed performance. Despite its immense size and because of its aerodynamic design and variable sweep wings, the F-14 was considered very maneuverable and an excellent dogfighter. As a long-range fighter, the F-14 was incomparable in its ability to detect and engage multiple targets simultaneously, including other aircraft and cruise missiles. The heart of the Tomcat's avionics was the Hughes AWG-9 Doppler multi-mode radar, which represented the longest-range airborne radar of its time, and able to track 24 targets at once. The Navy justified the F-14's high cost by its ability to intercept targets at over 120 miles with its million-dollar-a-shot AIM-54 Phoenix air-to-air missiles. The only fighter able to carry this 1,000-pound fully active radar homing missile. The F-14 typically carried a 2-2-2 mix of air-to-air missiles, 2 long-range Phoenix missiles under the fuselage, 2 medium-range AIM-7 Sparrow missiles on the lower portion of the wing pylon, and 2 short-range AIM-9 Sidewinder missiles on the shoulder stations. In addition, the F-14 was equipped with an internally mounted Vulcan 20mm cannon capable of fire at a rate of 6,000 rounds per minute. The F-14 entered operational service in 1973, and when production ended during the late 1980s, nearly 900 had been delivered to the U.S. Navy. At the height of its deployment from the late 1970s until 2000, aircraft carrier air wings typically included 2 12-plane squadrons of Tomcats for air defense. Despite a maximum speed of Mach 2.3, the F-14 was considered underpowered with its original Pratt & Whitney TF-30 turbofan engines. Near the end of its operational career, the F-14 was re-engined with more powerful General Electric F-110 turbofans. The Tomcat was widely recognized as the world's premier air defense fighter, and replaced the legendary F-4 Phantom in this role with the U.S. Navy. During 2006, the F-14 was retired from service, being replaced by the multi-role FA-18 Hornet. ESAM's F-14 enjoyed a 20-year career with the U.S. Navy and served with Fighter Squadron 13, the Top Hatters, aboard the aircraft carrier USS John F. Kennedy during the 1991 Gulf War. This aircraft is on loan from the National Museum of Naval Aviation at Pensacola, Florida.